I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in a new collage, and it's called Collaging is for the Birds. And the hashtag for that is hashtag Nrbirdcollage, and it's hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And we just make collages with birds. Now I'm waiting for the book that she uses. She's sending me one. It's in the mail, but I haven't gotten it yet. So I'm just going to use this background for my collage and add it to my book, and I can always add background or trim if I need to. So without further ado, let's get started. I hope there's a lot of people participating in this. It sounds like it'll be a lot of fun. This was going to be pretty simple. I've got this background, and I cut out a few birds from the book that she recommended, which is this one, and it has some gorgeous pictures. So I am going to lay this out and see what I want to do with it. I thought it would be fun. I love this ostrich, and I did not get the white trimmed at his toes here. We are expecting bad weather this afternoon. Storms. Hopefully it won't be bad. I hope not. It's warm now. It's 58 degrees, and it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I thought I would just have him flying over the mountains, and I thought it would be funny to have this little hummingbird, have them racing, and the hummingbird winning, and that look of disgust on the ostrich's face. And I thought this bird could be in the background trying to get the worm out of the ground. So I think I'm going to kind of trim just around this to tuck his little feet in a little bit. And this is a cutting mat in case you wonder why I'm cutting. Okay, maybe just a tad more here. Tuck those in. The more I do it, the more I love collage. There we go. And I think I'm going to go ahead and tack him down. Or glue him down. There we go. And now I'm going to put this bird down. This is going to be a simple one. I'll put my ostrich down. Okay. I love the colors. I just thought it was funny, and he does. He has such a look of disgust on his face. This little bitty hummingbird's beating him in a race. Or her. Alright, I don't know what else to do. But I like how it turned out. I will have to figure out some ways to embellish this more. But sometimes simple's best. I think it's cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and check out the hashtag Nrbirdcollage. So y'all take care, and until next time, bye y'all.